So here we are discussing proning at home for COVID-19 patients with breathing troubles. What is basically proning? The process of turning yourself, a patient with precise, safe motions from back to your abdomen. So you are lying with your face down. Proning is a medically accepted position to improve comfort and oxygenation and is extremely beneficial in COVID-19 patients with compromised breathing comfort. And I will tell you importance of prone lying. Regular monitoring is important at home as compromised oxygen circulation can lead to worsening of complications. Proning improves ventilation, keeps alveolar units open and breathing easy. If the oxygen saturation drops below 94, timely proning and maintaining good ventilation can save many lives. What do you need for proning? You'll need 4 to 5 pillows, 1 pillow below the neck, 1 to 2 pillows below the chest through upper thighs, and 2 pillows below the shins. Change your lying position regularly. Best is to not spend more than 30 minutes in each position. And how to do self-proning. There are some positions in which you have to take care of. Position 1, 30 minutes to 2 hours laying on your belly. And position 2, 30 minutes to 2 hours laying on your right side. Position 3, 30 minutes to 2 hours sitting up. Position 4, 30 minutes to 2 hours lying on your left side. And position 5, back to position 1. And when not to do proning, you should take care of these conditions that will seriously affect. Proning should be avoided in the following conditions. First, pregnancy. Second, deep venous thrombosis treated in less than 48 hours. Major cardiac conditions. Fourth, unstable spine, femur or pelvic fractures. A word of caution. Avoid proning for an hour after meals. Second, maintain proning for only as much times as easily tolerable. Third, pillows may be adjusted slightly to alter pressure areas and comfort. And fourth, keep a track of any pressure sores or injuries. You may prone for up to 16 hours a day in multiple cycles as felt comfortable. How to place a patient in prone position. Pull the patient to one side of the bed using a flat sheet. Place the flat sheet around the arm that will pull to the side you are training toward. Place a second flat sheet on the bed tucked under the patient. This will pull through as you are turning the patient. Using the sheet, turn the patient over in a prone position. The arm and sheet will pull across the bed. Pull and center the patient. Discard the sheet that was used to place the patient in the spine position to straighten lines and tubes.